Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the reader view on the Instapaper application when you are reading an article online. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now you should tap on the browse icon, and here you should select an article from these options. So click on the one that interests you. Then you should tap on the this AA icon at the top of the screen and click on the first option saying show reader view. Here you will be able to customize your reading experience by tapping on the same AA icon. And now you can select the size of the font, size of the article, the font, by tapping on the one that you prefer, and the background color of the article as well. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.